Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see chapter 7, coordinate geometry. Okay, this is a very simple chapter. Okay, in this video we are going to see the introduction part only. Okay, this is a plane graph and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, basically number line. Okay, so in x-axis, okay, this axis is positive. This axis is positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and going on. Okay, and this axis is negative. -1, -2, -3, -4 and this will be going on. Okay, so same here it is negative. -1, -2, -3, -4 and it will be going on, and here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now as the name suggests, coordinate. Okay, it's a coordinate. You have to take one point. Okay, any point in the graph and you have to find the coordinate. So I am taking like this point. Okay, this point I am taking it. Okay, and you have to find the coordinate. How will you find the coordinate? You have to check this one. Okay, if you draw a line, okay, this is 4 and here it is 3. So the coordinate will be 4, 3. Okay, so x coordinate will be what? 4. Okay, so this will be x coordinate and this will be y coordinate. Okay, next we are going to see distance formula. Okay, if you have a line, okay, on a graph, okay, to find the distance we are going to use this distance formula. Okay, this is 1, 3, okay, which is equals to, and this will be x. Okay, and this will be y, right? And here also this will be x and this will be y. Okay, so if you take 1, 3 will be x1, y1. Okay, and 7, 4 will be x2, y2. Okay, if you substitute in this formula, you will get the distance. If you know the distance formula, you can do 7.1 exercise very easily. Okay, now section formula. What do you mean by section? Section is dividing in parts. Okay, dividing in parts. If I take a straight line, okay, I am dividing it into parts. Okay, two parts. Okay, the ratio of 3:4. Okay, we know this ratio is 3:4 and this part is A and this point is B. Okay, this point is A and this point is B. Okay, I am just giving x as 2 and here y as 3 and here x as 4 and y as 5. Okay, so you know this x1, x2, y1, y2, but here a line has got divided. Okay, this is a point, I am naming it as 0. Okay, this point has coordinates x, y. Okay, which we don't know. Okay, we have to find this x, y. So how to find this? With this help of, okay, x1, y1 and x2, y2 and substituting in this. Okay, and we know the ratio. Alright, so with the help of ratio and this points, okay, with this points we are going to find x and y. Okay, this where the line got splitted. Okay, that points coordinate we are going to find. So for that we are using this section formula. You got this? So example, if you check, this is the line. Okay, it got splitted in this P. Okay, P point. Okay, the P has x, y points. Okay, we don't know this. Okay, but we don't know this x1, y1, which is 2, 3 and this one is 4, 5. This is an example, kids. Okay, just consider. And with this points, I'm going to substitute in this one formula. Okay, how to substitute in this formula? x1 equals to 2 and y1 equals to 3. Okay, and here x2 equals to 4 and y2 equals to 5. And we know this one, m1 equals to 3 and m2 equals to 4. Okay, so in this formula, okay, to by heart this formula, I will explain you how to by heart. 1, x2 will come 1 and 2. Okay, plus m2 x whole divided by m1 plus m2, comma, for m1 y2 will come. Okay, plus m2 y1 will come the whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so if you substitute these values, okay, these values, okay, you will get the midpoint, okay, x comma y, which has divided the line. Okay, by substituting those values, you will get the point which has divided, okay, which has divided the line. That's it. Okay, now we'll move on to next one, midpoint formula. Okay, so next one is midpoint formula. Now we'll see midpoint formula. Okay, so what do you mean by a midpoint? Okay, when a line has been cut in any point, okay, any point like 3:1, 4:1, 5:1, like that. Okay, let's consider this line has been cut in a ratio of 4:1. But the thing is, they told it's midpoint. So midpoint will be always in the center. Okay, center. So they will be having equal ratios like 4:4. Okay, not like this section formula. You will have different midpoints. Okay, here they're like 3:4. Okay, but in midpoint formula, okay, you will be having same ratio. Okay, 4:1, because the line has been cut in a center point. Okay, exactly center point. Okay, so now we'll see the formula for midpoint. M1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so now I'm substituting, because you know that let's consider midpoint to be m. Okay, midpoint will be equals to same. Okay, 1:1. Okay, the a line here. Okay, let's consider 0. The midpoint is 1:1. I'm going to substitute in this case. You have to substitute 1 x2 plus 1 x1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, comma here 1 y2 plus 1 y1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, so the answer will be x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Okay, that's all, students. Okay, so this is simple formula. Okay, this is midpoint formula is very simple. So you just have to add x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And I hope you understand. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.